Howdy, howdy, hey, how are you doing today? I'm the MoonFrog, and in this one, we're jumping right back into the Burnout car build.
I didn't remember the moon being that far away.
Right, so some of you guys might have been waiting for us to get right back into this for a while now, and today is the day. So what we're going to be doing in this one, we're going to be pulling the engine back out, and this time we're going to be stripping it down, or at least partially stripping it down, just to see if it's usable. So let's start by pulling it out. Right, so I was going to put this on the stand, but if you see those 3 lines on there, that means don't put a big block on it. So we'll put that on the stand in the next video, but for now, we're just going to drop it on a tire and take the heads off. And from that, we should see enough to know if the motor is good or bad. All right, we got it all blocked up safely. Shouldn't kill us. So let's take some heads off. Let's see how she looks in there. Maybe. Maybe not. What about now? Yeah. All right, so that's boat anchor number 1 taken off, and still looking all right all in there. I was told this engine was running when pulled out. So yeah, let's check the inside of the cylinders now. So if you can see, it really doesn't look that bad. Overall, those cylinders are passable. We'll just clean them up and looks pretty good to me. Now let's take off the other head and see what's in there. Perfect. You know, good thing they switched to aluminum. But I still love these. Alright, let's go check that one out. That won't hurt it any. What we're looking for is those scratches. They're called cross-hatching, and that's what makes the cylinder seal to the rings, or the rings seal to the cylinder. So it's still pretty well there. There's no ridge or wear mark up here. So this is relatively fresh engine. And all we have to do now is take it all apart, check the tolerances, and rebuild it. Well, that's that for the engine. We can't put on the stand right now because we don't have grade 8 bolts, and it'd be kind of dangerous to put that much weight on something weaker. But the video's not done here yet. We have one more thing to check out. So last week I went over to Mosho's and picked up a 49-inch. Let's go get it. Now let's get this inside of the garage. Somehow. Chances of a frog getting crushed by a 9-inch? Very possible. Let's give it a try.
Oh, it's a beautiful day. The flowers are blooming, the birds are chirping, the frogs are croaking. Oh my God.
That thing is freaking heavy. All right, so that's our new 49-inch for the accent. And if the grand wizard of the paint marker is correct, this is a Ford 76. And that's a 76. These full-faced axle should mean that we have 31 spline axles. The beefy boys. That came out of a big car, or possibly even a truck, which means that vehicle was most likely a lot wider than the accent. So we're gonna have to go in there in future videos, cut down the axle and make it narrower, and then we'll make it fit onto the car. Alright, well that's basically going to be it for this episode. We stripped down the engine to make sure it was usable, and we finally pulled in our Ford 9-inch for further reconstruction. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up, and if you want to see this car get finished, well, hit that subscribe button. The more support we have to the channel, the faster it's going to grow, and the faster the projects are going to get done. So that's in your hands. Hit that subscribe button. Share the videos with your friends, and till next time, go out, be rad.